Now I will explain you the levels of organization. In multicellular organisms, different cells carry out different functions. The bodies of multicellular organisms consist of many types of cells. They are organized into different levels to coordinate various functions of an organism. Now I will explain you the cell organization. Cell. What is a cell? The smallest living unit of the body is cell. Many cells of same type organizes to form a tissue. What is a cell? The smallest living unit of the body is cell. Many cells of the same type organizes to form a tissue. That means the cells combine to form tissue, and cell is the smallest living unit of the body. Now what is tissue? A group of cells performing a similar function forms a tissue. A group of cells which perform a similar function that combine together to form a tissue. For example, cells which form the lining of the skin constitute the epithelial tissue. Lining means a protective covering which protects the inside surface. So the cells which form the protective covering which protects the inside surface of the skin constitute the epithelial tissue. Now next is organs. What is organ? Different tissues. Now cells combine to form tissue. Now what is the organ? Different tissues assemble to form an organ. Different tissues then assemble to form an organ. The organs perform some specialized function when the tissues assemble together to form an organ, and when it performs a specialized function, it is known as organ. For example, stomach, heart, kidney, etc. are organs. Then organ system. Various organs with different structures work together to perform a specific function. Now what is organ system? Cells combine to form tissue. Tissues assemble to form organ. Organs combine together. Various organs with different structure, then they work together to perform a specific function. Then these organs form an organ system. For example, digestive system, respiratory system, and nervous system, and some organ system, etc. Now we will study about organization. What do we mean by organization? Various organ systems in the body are organized to make an organism. As I have already explained to you, cell is the smallest living unit of the body. Cells combine together to form tissue. Tissue assemble together to form an organ. Various organs with different structure work together to perform a specific function. It becomes organ system. Now when various organ system in the body are organized to make an organism, that is known as organization. Consider the example of human body. It is run by various organ systems like digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, etc. The digestive system consists of organs like stomach, intestine, etc., which in turn are made up of tissue like epithelial tissue. The epithelial tissue is made up of millions of cells, each of them performing a specific function. In this way, the bodies of all living organisms is organized, and this is known as the organization of any living organism.